Dear students, after marking the 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm, the line difference between the mm is 10. Then draw the vertical line on each point which intersect the horizontal line. Okay. Then after that, you have to give the name as after the vertex point 1. That is number is given as 1. Next line is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. The number 1 line, the top representation is 1 dashed and bottom representation is give us a 1 double dashed. Here it is 2, second line 2, then top is 2 dash and 2 double dashed. 3, third line 3 dashed, 3 double dashed. Fourth line 4 dashed, 4 double dashed. And fifth line 5 dashed, 5 double dashed. 6 dashed, 6 double dashed. 7 dashed, 7 double dashed. 8 dashed, 8 double dashed. 9 dashed, 9 double dashed. Definitely you have to mark these points, very important, because this is based on this measured value we are going to make a arc in the drawing. 12 double dash, 13 dash and 13 double dash. Okay, the next I am going to measure the values with the help of the compass. First, I have to take the vertical distance from the point 1 to 1 dashed. You remember this? Why I told you to the numbering is very important means you see here. I am going to mark as 1 to 1 dashed, right? See here, vertical distance 1 to 1 dashed, and I take off the compass. Then going to the focus point, keep the focus point as the center. You make arc on the same line which you measured the height. நீங்கள் எந்த லைனில் வந்து நீங்கள் மெஷர் பண்ணி எடுத்தீங்களோ the same line you have to arc the same line, but the focus point as the center. The next is from measure the value from 2 to 2 dashed. Okay, then go for the focus point again, make the arc on the same line. This is very important. Then go for the third line, go for third line, measuring height third line, then move to F, make arc on a same. Okay, make arc as a same. Here it is. Then after the fourth point, after fourth, then from here focus point 4, and here it is a focus point. Then go to measure the value. It is taking as a vertical distance 5. Go to again focus point, cut the line, same line, 5th. Okay, then measure the value of 6th line, measure the value of 6th line, go to focus point and cut the line. 6th line it is not intersecting, but instead of 6th line my arc is to be intersecting in the horizontal line, so the ellipse portion is to be over. Okay, so every time you have to take the distance from each and every point, and that is vertical height. For example, 1 to 1 dashed. Take the compass with the same measurement, you keep F as the center. From here you make the arc on the same line. நீங்கள் எந்த லைனோட ஹைட் நீங்கள் எடுக்கிறீங்களோ அந்த லைனோட ஹைட்டை மெஷர் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் கேம்பஸை ரிமூவ் த கேம்பஸ், ஃபோக்கஸ் பாயிண்ட்டை சென்டராக வச்சுட்டு சேம் லைனை தான் நீங்கள் கட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ we are getting the many points here. In this point I am given P1, here is P1 dash, here it is P2, P2 double dash, here it is P3, P3 double dash, P4, or otherwise you have to give us P4, P4 dash, P5, P5 dash, and here it is a P6 and downward direction down P6 dash. Okay, now we are going to construct the ellipse. In this drawing, the ellipse shape is to be small because based on the given value it is a small value. So how to mark an ellipse? How to draw the ellipse? By joining of these all the points of P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and P6. First you have to draw very light line because the shape is to be very important. இது ஸ்டார்டிங்லேயே வந்துடாது because some students making mistakes in this here to draw the uniform curves, so that you have to draw the very light line through the point. So it is comes under the ellipse. So now I am going to make darken. See here I made a mistake here. It is the line is to be bend line, so I wrap it and I have to make a correction on this. Okay, so by joining of our point only, அது மேலேயும் போகக்கூடாது கீழேயும் போகக்கூடாது, by joining these points which we got in the drawing by the measurement, right? So the ellipse is to be came perfectly. The next step we are going to find the normal line and tangent. Normal and tangent. This to be drawn by, you have to mark any point. You have to mark as a any point. I am marking any one point is here. I am marking as a Q. Okay, I am going to mark any point on the ellipse curve. I am going to mark the any point, any position. I am going to mark as a point in the curve Q. First step, you have to join these 2 points of Q and focus F. Okay, Q and focus F I drawn. I joined as a Q and focus F. First step. Next step, draw the 90-degree line to the FQ line. So use the protractor and draw the line which is perpendicular. This is the horizontal line, or focus to Q line, FQ line. The line is to be drawn perpendicular to FQ line, which intersecting as directrix. Stop up to meet the directrix. You give it as a letter S. From here you have to connect Q and S line. This is called as a tangent line. Okay, then use the point Q, draw the perpendicular line to the S and T, the line ST. That is the line drawn perpendicular to the line ST with the point of Q. Okay, I drawn here. It is a normal line. That's all about the construction of ellipse. For this you are getting 20 marks. I am representing here ST. ST means T is the standard line, N is the normal line. Okay, thank you students. Thank you so much.